of your big dead toe, of your big dead toe,
What's it again? What a big no.
and the fact that you don't comb your hair anymore.
The other one.
Most of all,
Most of all,
I promise to love you even when
I'm not sure about that.
you scream at me at the top of your lungs for no reason at all.
The one who's screaming at her all the time.
Now, by the powers vested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce you to Mr. and Mrs. June and Beth Pantaleon.